how to react to a text message with an emoji on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then open up a text conversation. From here, if you want to respond or react to a text message, such as a picture or a text. So here you can respond to a text. Just trying to find a text right here. So simply touch and hold onto the text. And then from the pop-up, select an emoji that you want to use. And that's it. So that is how you can react to a text message or to an image. So you can also react to an image here. Now you can tap on the add button to view more emojis. And down here is a list of all the different emojis that you can use. They are grouped into different categories. So you can tap on one of the categories down here at the bottom. So here we've got food and beverage. We've got travel and places. So tap on that. We'll filter out your emoji by the group down here. And that's it. So you can see there are a lot of different emojis that you can use to send your reaction reply. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.